Did you know the average American spends nearly 30 minutes a day digging through cluttered kitchen cabinets? If your countertop space barely fits a coffee mug, you're not alone. Over 60% of city apartments have kitchens under 100 square feet. Today, we're diving into 10 Amazon finds that transform tiny counters and cramped cabinets into smooth, stress free zones. From sleek glass canisters that let you spot ingredients at a glance, to slide out racks that pull your pots forward, each pick helps you reclaim precious inches and cut down on cooking chaos. Ready to see how a few simple gadgets can make your small kitchen feel huge? Number 1. HVUD glass storage containers with acacia wood lids, 3 times 67 ounces. These square glass jars each hold a generous 67 ounces, so you can ditch the flimsy plastic bags and keep flour, pasta, or snacks on proud display. The thick borosilicate glass resists stains and odors, and the acacia wood lids seal in freshness with an easy twist silicone gasket. No more stale oats or flour that clumps. Not only do they look sleek lined up on your countertop or pantry shelf, but they're fully recyclable and dishwasher safe. Just hand wash the lids. At $29.90 for the 3-pack, this is an eco-friendly upgrade that pays for itself by replacing wasteful plastic every time you refill. Number 2. KES 30-inch wall-mounted 2-tier pot rack with 12 hooks. Give your cabinets a break. Hang up to a dozen pots and pans on this sturdy steel rack. The 2-tier design holds both deep skillets and small saucepans, and the matte black finish hides fingerprints. Installation is simple. Mount to studs and sling on the included S-hooks. At $55.20, it frees up serious square footage on counters and inside cramped cupboards. A quick glance at your cookware lineup means no more digging for that favored sauté pan. It's a kitchen upgrade that's as professional as it is practical. Number 3. 4-pack magnetic spice rack with 24 glass jars and funnel set. Stick these sleek black metal shelves to any fridge or microwave and reclaim precious cabinet space. Each rack holds 6 glass spice jars, and the included stainless steel funnel and pre-printed labels make refilling a cinch. No tools, no drilling, just snap on and load up your go-to seasonings. At $39.89, you're getting a full set of 4 racks plus 24 airtight jars. It's the fastest way to create a visible, grab-and-go spice library that keeps everything from garlic powder to turmeric fresh and at eye level. Number 4. Minbu Bamboo Expandable Pot Lid and Pan Organizer, large. Slide this natural bamboo rack into your cabinet to keep lids, pans, and baking sheets vertical and tangle-free. It expands from 16.5 inches to 23.2 inches to fit most deep drawers or under-sink spaces, and the 10 U-shaped dividers adjust to match whatever you own. At $31.99, you'll wonder how you ever stacked lids on end without constant sliding and clattering. This drawer-style organizer makes grabbing the right lid a one-handed breeze, and it looks so warm and natural you won't mind it peeking out of a semi-open cabinet. Number 5. Veroni's 5-pack glass meal prep containers, 36 ounces each. These borosilicate glass lunchboxes handle freezer-to-oven transitions without cracking, then pop straight in the dishwasher for easy cleanup. Each 36-ounce container has a leak-proof snap lock lid, so you can pack salads, stews, or layered meals with zero spills. Stack them neatly in the fridge or cabinet. No mystery contents here. At $29.99 for 5, they're a healthier, more durable alternative to plastic. Portion control, meal prep, leftovers, you name it, these do it better and more stylishly. Number 6. Goliner 2-pack pots and pans slide-out organizer under cabinet. Turn wasted cabinet depth into a smooth gliding mini drawer. These stainless steel pullouts install with strong adhesive, no drilling needed, and pop-in handles so you can gently ease your pans forward without a struggle. At $53.99 for 2 racks, each with adjustable dividers, you'll never dig through a stack of cookware again. It's a small tweak that delivers big ergonomic wins. Pots, pans, and lids are always right at the front. Number 7. Yahitek Kitchen Island Cart with Bamboo Top, 3-tier. Need extra counter real estate? This rolling cart has a solid bamboo tabletop, 2 open shelves, and a handy drawer hidden behind the faux drawer facade. Lockable wheels keep it put when you need a steady work surface. At $104.99, it's priced under most built-in carts, but delivers the same mobility and storage. Stash small appliances, dinnerware, or cooking tools on the lower tiers and roll it wherever you need prep help or service space. Number 8. ProSwift Pull-Out Cabinet Organizer 2-pack, 15.7 inches by 11 inches by 3.7 inches. These slim metal drawers stick inside your cabinets with nano-adhesive or screws, transforming the back of deep cabinets into instantly reachable storage. They glide smoothly, even under heavy loads, and install in minutes. At $26.99 for 2, you get a fuss-free way to organize oils, canned goods, or cleaning supplies. Pull out the tray, grab what you need, and tuck it back for a clutter-free view. Number 9. Mind Reader Woodland Collection, rolling 3-tier bar cart. Mix, match, and roll. This wood and metal cart serves as a mobile bar, coffee station, or cookware island. 3 tiers hold bottles, glasses, mugs, or pans, and the lockable wheels keep it from drifting mid-pour. At $44.76, it's a space-saving host's best friend. Wine rack, glass hooks, and roomy shelves turn narrow corridors into serving passages without hogging permanent real estate. Number 10. Salazi Coffee Bar Accessories and Organizer Countertop. Create your perfect coffee nook with this 2-tier wood and iron shelf. The top board holds your machine, the lower shelf corrals pods, mugs, and syrups. 4 adjustable non-slip feet ensure stability on any countertop. At $24.99, it's an instant upgrade from scattered pods and cluttered counters. Roll out your morning routine. No more hunting for that elusive K-cup or measuring spoon. Each of these 10 Amazon finds is designed to squeeze maximum function out of minimal square footage, so your small kitchen can feel spacious, organized, and downright delightful. Which one will you grab first? Let us know. Small kitchens aren't just about limited space. They're about smart choices. And the truth is, the right tools don't just organize your cabinets. They completely change the way you cook, prep, and even enjoy your home. Think about it. Every extra inch of counter space gives you more freedom, less stress, and a smoother daily routine. That's what these Amazon finds are really about. Not just storage, but giving you back time, energy, and peace of mind. Now, here's where it gets fun. Imagine walking into your kitchen tomorrow and everything has its place. No more digging for lids, no more mystery spices lost in the back of a cabinet, no more clutter stealing your counter. Which of these gadgets felt like a game changer for you? Was it the rolling bamboo cart that instantly creates counter space? The sleek spice racks that finally make seasoning a 1-second job? Or maybe the glass meal prep containers that stop the endless search for lids that actually fit? I want to know, if you could only pick one of these upgrades for your kitchen today, which one would it be? And here's the bigger mystery. Do you think the secret to a stress-free kitchen is organization, smart storage, or simply less stuff overall? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, because your answer might just inspire someone else to rethink their own space. And remember, sometimes the smallest gadgets lead to the biggest transformations. If you enjoyed this list, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who's battling a tiny kitchen too. Who knows? Your next Amazon click could be the key to making your kitchen feel twice as big.